He's on his phone.
What are you doing, you little rat? Do you want some of this? I'll fucking smash you up.
You'll go to jail then.
Stop taking cameras.
Why are you using your phone?
Stop taking pictures.
Don't use your phone then.
Are you a weirdo?
No, you're the weirdo here. You carry on in front of me. I'm not going to
You're
go.
a weirdo.
You're a lawbreaker. DU66GXH. Hey, you're not happy about that?
I want to get a drink.
And I could clearly see WhatsApp open there, with the green background and with the keyboard open and the screen lit up. And his reaction tells you everything, in that he knows he was caught on the phone.